Welcome, today I'm part of me DOOGEE V20 and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and after that tap on the sound section. Then you'll see here the advanced, tap here once and then tap to default notification sound, and after that just select one from this available notification sounds which you like. For example, this one. Let's go with this. Tap to OK, and now you can see here that we just successfully changed notification sound on our DOOGEE device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.